Hi, I'm Nicole with BitcoinFirstSteps.io. The mission of Bitcoin First Steps is to give crypto beginners high quality, reliable information to help them enter the cryptocurrency sphere with confidence. Through free step-by-step guides and one-on-one meetings, we'll take you from being utterly clueless to buying your first Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency with confidence. We will also keep you up to date on what's going on in the real economy and financial markets. Now you may be thinking, this has nothing to do with me, but actually it does. In our videos, we will explain how the changes that are happening in the financial system affect you on Main Street. Most importantly, we will explain it in a way that is easy to understand and solution-focused. After all, what good is information if you can't use it to improve your life? And if you want help on how to buy, store, or grow your Bitcoin without making some of the common mistakes that can cost you lots of money, go to BitcoinFirstSteps.io and schedule your free one-on-one quick start consultation. There are so many changes happening in the world right now, and it is clear the change is coming faster and faster. Are you prepared? Do you know what to do? The first thing you can do is subscribe to the Bitcoin First Steps YouTube channel and hit the bell button to get notified about our latest videos that will help you make sense of the chaos, stay ahead of the curve, and thrive.